In today's video, we will explain how to configure user provisioning from Okta to Active Directory and how to provision users to a specific organizational unit within AD. There are three configuration requirements in order for Okta to provision users in AD. First, the target OU must be selected as part of the user OU connected to Okta in Admin, Directory Integrations. Then click on your AD instance, then Provisioning, and finally Integration. Second, the Create Users option must be enabled in the To App section. Lastly, the service account used by the AD agent must be a domain admin or have the necessary permissions delegated to it for user creation and writing all attributes. You will find more details on the permissions required by that account in the Related References section of the support article linked in the video description. Okta users can be provisioned to Active Directory through the configuration of a provisioning group. Provisioning group configuration will also allow you to target a specific OU where the members of that group will be created. Navigate to Directory, then Groups. Create a new Okta group or open the existing Okta group you wish to configure for AD provisioning. Please note that the same group should never be used for both application assignments and directory provisioning. Click on Directories, Manage Directories, and select one or more AD integrations from the left panel to add them to the group for provisioning. For each AD integration added to the group, specify the OU to which users in that group should be provisioned. Please note that only one OU can be selected. If Okta users must be provisioned to multiple OUs in the AD instance, please configure additional provisioning groups and assign users to those groups appropriately. Custom attribute fields may be configured that each AD user will share while in the group. When done, click on Confirm Changes. At this point, any existing members of the Okta group will have AD profiles created or updated. As new users are added to the group, Okta will also automatically push those user profiles to AD. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, we encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.